Okay, so this is a video for our aloe vera face tonic for sensitive skin. Now, this will help to hydrate the skin, balance out the pH of the skin, and just basically help with a nice base to start your normal routine with. So, this is a simple serum toner, and we're going to start making that. To make this, you need a very accurate scale. Now, if you're going to be formulating products for sale, you need to have accurate scale. You need a beaker and some stirring rod. Now, remember to always sanitize your workspace. I have sent you all that information. So first of all, we have water, which is going to be our base. You can use water or you can use hydrosol. Now, depending on what your preference is, you can use hydrosol, any kind of hydrosol. You can use chamomile, you can use lavender, you can use rose water, any kind of hydrosol that you want. You can go ahead to use that, but I'm using water. Now, after that, I'm going to add cocoa betaine. Now, cocoa betaine is a surfactant, and a surfactant is something that mixes well with dirt, oil, and washes off or cleanses off. So it's going to act like a cleanser in this formula. So when you use this to cleanse your face, it actually goes deep to remove any residue of oil or any residue of dirt after I said dirt after cleansing your face. And then we're also going to use aloe vera. Now, this is 10 times aloe vera strength. So if you're going to be using um this aloe vera, make sure you are getting the accurate extract. Okay, and aloe vera here is a botanical extract, so that's what it is doing here. It's a soothing extract. It has very soothing and calming effect. It helps to calm sensitive skin, especially if you are using products that are whitening. You want to make sure you are using products that will help to calm your sensitive skin. And next we have our wheat protein. Now, in this particular one, you can use wheat protein. If you don't have wheat protein, you can use probiotic lysate. For this formula, I am using probiotic lysate, but you can also use wheat protein. This is also a very good humectant that helps to bring moisture to the skin. They were also using glycerin. Glycerin is also a humectant. A humectant is anything that helps to draw moisture to the skin, keep the skin hydrated, keep the skin um moisturized. It draws water from the atmosphere or from within your body. Okay, we are also going to be using sorbitol. Okay, now sorbitol is a sugar alcohol that is used as a hydrating and moisturizing agent. It can also function as a thickener, okay? But for this, we're using it as a humectant, which is a water loving or water drawing ingredient. Make sure you have pipettes. You need pipettes to measure very tiny quantity of ingredients, okay? So sorbitol, like I said, functions as a thickener. It is a moisturizer. It also acts as a prebiotic ingredient. Okay, prebiotics naturally act as a food for probiotic ingredients. Okay, probiotics in our on our body, on our skin. So what this does is, because it acts as a food source for probiotics naturally that occurs on your skin, prebiotic skincare can help to keep your skin's overall microbiome in balance. Okay, so that's what it does here. So sorbitol basically helps to feed the naturally occurring bacteria on the skin. Okay, it helps to feed the probiotics on our skin. So we have prebiotics and we have probiotics. Prebiotics help to feed the probiotics on our skin. So the next ingredient we're using is provitamin B5. That's vitamin B5, which also serves as a natural skin healer and protector. Now, vitamin B5 helps to relieve the symptoms of irritation on your skin, such as itchiness, pain, and discolorations, and all of that. It helps to keep your skin away from irritations, and it also helps with wound healing as well. Now, the next ingredient is potassium sorbate, which acts as a preservative for this product. It also has is effective against negative gram-negative bacteria, fungi, and molds. So that's what we are adding here, and we're also going to add Jamal Plus, which I love so much because it's easy to use, it's water soluble, it has a wide pH range, it's just very, very easy to use. So you can go ahead and combine that with other preservatives to give your product a more balanced and more safer shelf life. Okay, so go ahead, mix everything together until you have a homogeneous solution, and then you can go ahead to pour it into your container. Now you can pour it in a spray container, or you can put it in a container that has a flip up cap that you can just easily pour it on a cotton cloth and wipe your face to cleanse your face. You use this product after washing your face with your cleanser, your soap. Okay, so I'm just going to show you there what it looks like, and yeah, that's all. Just basically make sure you turn your product very, very well, mix it thoroughly, make sure everything is well incorporated before you finish, and go ahead to check your pH. I couldn't find the footage where I checked the pH, but go ahead and check your pH. Make sure your pH is at 4.5. Okay, make sure your pH is at 4.5. Now this recipe does not require any form of heating. Okay, you don't need to heat up anything. Just go ahead and pour your product into your container. Make sure your containers are very, very well cleaned and sanitized. Now this moisturizing toner leaves the skin hydrated and conditioned, basically with protein or probiotics, aloe vera, and provitamin B5 will help moisturize and condition your skin. It's a very simple toner, but it's very powerful. Now you can go ahead to add other ingredients. Now this video is a guide, like an example. Okay, now don't limit yourself to just the ingredients here. Play around with other moisturizing and skin soothing ingredients and create your own. That's why we learn. Okay.